since in 3 weeks, and we probably heard four birds gobbling to the south. That's exciting. They're gobbling a little early, but we'll see. It's real foggy this morning, cold. It's like 32 degrees. So for Florida, it's a little chilly, but y'all stay tuned, and hopefully, some pigs come out and we have some pig action. Beautiful morning, good relaxing. Sitting here in God's country. God's been good. He's been so good, so couldn't thank him more. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Well, I didn't realize, but my Insta360 camera, the SD card was full. So I had to stop recording with it. But it did. I'm pretty positive it got me shooting, but I know the big camera got it. Well, I just watched the video, and literally, I don't know if y'all can see it from here. Probably not that good. But literally right here. I mean, it absolutely just right through the shoulders. It sounded like he ran a little farther than I expected, to be honest, but I don't know. Now I've seen this camera sitting low on batteries. I wasn't quite prepared for today, so let me turn the camera off. Give me a few minutes. We'll get down, see if we can't find this pig. We'll see y'all on the ground. I'm sorry for old Florida boy, I'm cold. But, sorry we're having to film this with my phone. Shame on me, I didn't make sure all my stuff was charged. One thing was charged, but the SD card's full. Other camera, the SD card's good. The battery's almost dead, so we're gonna go up here and see. If we can't find some blood, so y'all stay tuned. I want to see me. It's all wet and muddy, so that's not helping. But I could tell for sure. I mean, it whopped him good. And I hate where he ran. It's thick, wet. This could get interesting, guys, because it's probably about 2 feet in the water. So I know I hit him good, but y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna slip in here and see if I can't find him. We got some blood for sure, so we knew he hit it. We could tell our video. I mean, he played good. Jeez. 44 Magnum put the whop on me. Easy gets thick. All right. He's literally in the middle of that thick crap. It's been almost an hour. Blood everywhere. And he's not dead. You can't see enough to get a second shot in him. I'm about to try one more way. You hear him say he's... Just a little nerve-wracking by yourself. Let's see what happens. Well, right there's where we had last blood, and all of a sudden the pig... Well, I'll kind of find out. We just seen it. It was another really big pig with a bunch of sow, or a bunch of babies. But the pig we shot is literally right there. I don't know if you can see it. So he's got to figure out how to get to it. Well, whew. I worked up a sweat. Well, we got it. We got her, that's for sure. But man, I thought she was still alive. We walked in. She actually ran in right here. Blood everywhere. And I was like, she's got to be right here. By the time we were about to be on top of her, this pig just, I think I might could have heard it. So we went back, got side by side, waited like an hour, come back, walked right in there, same thing. Well, literally, it kept making noise, and I watched it, and it went down here and crossed. And because I know there was a big sow, a little bigger than this one with a bunch of babies. And it walked across the road, and I was like, well, it ain't hit. And I realized it was, that pig was with this pig, I guess, and they were all laid up together when this one died. So once that one got out of Dodge, we went in there, and I was only 10 steps from finding this one earlier. So great sow, be great eating. 44 Magnum, that's my second kill with it. I killed a doe on New Year's Eve, and now I've killed my first pig with it, so it's exciting, it's fun to hunt with. So next I'll probably be using the Mission crossbow. We just signed with them, with Matthews, and I'm going to try to shoot a pig at the farthest distance ever recorded on video. So I've been practicing a lot, 60-70 yards shooting 1-inch group. So excited, that's going to be our next hunt. It's going to be with that at a long range to see how that goes. So y'all stay tuned for that. But most of all, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. It's been an interesting couple weeks in my life, just between some opportunities and job and career, and he's kind of made it very clear which direction he wants me to go, and I appreciate him because I'm hard-headed. I'm kind of like Moses. You got to have that burning bush experience to quite know exactly what he wants. But thankful for what he's been doing in my life and what I think he has in store for me going forward. So super thankful and super excited for what God's done and what he's going to do. Thank great sponsors like Tieweed. I got their jacket, their pants, their boots on, my backpack with all my camera gear in it. So thank them. Thank Muley Freak. I don't have it on right now, but it's my vest, UTS, my binoculars, and my rangefinder. Thank Black Willow Deer Lures. Thank Matthews Missions by Crossbow, our newest sponsor. Super excited about that partnership. So, and thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for staying along and seeing what we have going on, watching our shorts, watching our videos. Continue to like, share, subscribe. It means a lot to me. So thank y'all again for watching. Like I always end every episode, take someone to church, take someone hunting, take someone fishing, and I hope to see you in the great outdoors. God bless.